Oh, hello. Good morning. Welcome to Breakfast in a Bag. What we have here, old crock cheddar, organic eggs, and some delicious fresh cut bacon, and paper bags.
That's intense.
First, you take your bacon and you prime the inside of your lunch bag. Like so. Next, you take your slices of bacon and you line the inside of your lunch bag. This bacon has already been cut down to size. Next, you take 2 eggs and you crack them and place them on top of each bacon.
Such good cinematography skills right there. Extreme close-up.
And because you're camping, you probably like to cut the cheese. I've already taken the liberty to do so. We're gonna place the cheese right on top of those eggs. And to top it off, a little bit of salt. Okay. Now, we're gonna close these babies up and get them ready to go on those hot coals. Now the key is to have a nice gentle flame with hot burning coals. Thank you, Kegan. Now that the coals are ready, and these are all buttoned up and seasoned, time to put them on the coals. Now, because the bottom of the bag has been seasoned with the bacon, it's going to allow a nice seal so that the paper doesn't burn. Now, Science. Now we just sit, wait, and watch the bag begin to turn transparent, and then breakfast will be served. Now that those bags are cooking to perfection, I'm gonna go ahead and top it off with a little camping toast. Well, it's the moment we've all been waiting for. Breakfast is ready. Ooh-wee! Look at that right there. That is seared to perfection. We're gonna eat these babies right out of the bag. We will be topping them off with some lovely avocado, tomato, salt, pepper, perhaps even some tapatio packets. They are ready. Tear it open like so. Look at all that cheesy, delicious goodness. That, my friends, is breakfast in a bag. Smoky and delicious.